Hello, friends. Welcome back to day 2 of our AI adventure. Yesterday, we got a taste of the AI world, but today we're going full throttle. Get ready to dive deep, explore how AI really works, and learn how to make it work for you like a pro. Let's go. Day 2 begins with a deep dive into the world of AI, a realm that at first glance can feel intimidating, but once you peel back the layers, reveals a universe of patterns, predictions, and creative possibilities. Artificial intelligence is at its core the ultimate pattern recognition engine. Imagine your brain processing thousands of cat videos, noticing the tiniest similarities between them. AI does this on an astronomical scale. It sees patterns in language, images, sound, and even code, and uses those patterns to predict what comes next. This predictive ability is the secret sauce behind large language models, or LLMs, which are the powerhouse behind GPT-5 and similar systems. LLMs don't think like humans, they operate by calculating probabilities for sequences of words, phrases, and even entire concepts, predicting the most likely continuation of any given input. These models are trained on massive datasets consisting of books, articles, code, and other text-based resources, and they use neural network architectures, typically transformers, to decide which elements of the input are most significant. The parameters within these networks function like millions or billions of dials that the model adjusts during training to optimize its predictive ability. Each parameter is a tiny knob in this vast, interconnected system, and the model's training consists of finding the perfect combination of billions of these knobs to minimize error in prediction. Understanding this mechanism is crucial because it allows you to approach AI not as a mysterious magic box, but as a sophisticated predictive engine that can be guided and optimized with skillful prompts and careful experimentation. Prompts are the primary way we communicate with AI, and the quality of a prompt often determines the quality of the output. A vague prompt such as "write a story" will yield generic results, while a detailed prompt with context, style, and desired structure produces content that aligns with your vision. Advanced techniques include few-shot learning, where you provide examples in the prompt to guide the model, chain of thought prompting, where the model is instructed to reason step by step, and role-based prompting, where the AI adopts a persona such as expert coder or storytelling master. These techniques are essential for anyone looking to become proficient in AI because they turn the AI from a blunt tool into a collaborative partner capable of producing nuanced, contextually rich outputs. Experimenting with prompts is a skill in itself. Documenting what works, analyzing outputs, and iterating will exponentially increase your ability to generate professional-level content. To harness the power of AI, it's important to familiarize yourself with the tools of the trade. Platforms like OpenAI's Playground allow you to interact with GPT-5 and other models directly, giving you immediate feedback on how changes in prompts affect output. Hugging Face provides a vast repository of open-source models for text, image, and audio generation, which you can run locally or in the cloud. Video generation platforms such as Runway, Pika Labs, and Sora enable you to transform prompts into moving visual narratives, while local models like Gemma 3N or GPTOSS 120B allow you to work offline with a high degree of control over computation and privacy. Combining these tools effectively is the hallmark of an AI generalist, someone who can integrate multiple modalities, text, images, audio, video, into cohesive projects. By understanding both the theoretical underpinnings and practical applications, you create a workflow where the AI handles repetitive or computationally intensive tasks while you direct the creative vision, producing outputs that are both technically sophisticated and aesthetically compelling. Developing as an AI generalist requires a structured practice regimen. Daily experimentation is crucial. Generating 10 outputs a day, whether text, image, or code, sharpens intuition about the model's behavior. Documenting prompts and their results helps you build a personal knowledge base, revealing patterns in how the AI responds to different instructions. Combining modalities is another essential skill. You might start by generating a storyboard with AI-generated images, then transform that storyboard into a video sequence, and finally add AI-generated narration or soundscapes. Each step reinforces your understanding of how AI models interpret instructions and interact with each other, and this layered approach allows you to produce complex, multimedia projects without relying solely on human labor. Mini projects such as creating a 100-scene storyboard for a short film, automating social media content, or building a chatbot using local models are practical exercises that embed learning and demonstrate tangible results. A generalist doesn't necessarily need to be the best coder or designer. Their strength lies in the ability to integrate multiple AI capabilities, recognize patterns, and orchestrate outputs across diverse domains. Alongside technical skill, awareness of ethical considerations is non-negotiable. AI reflects the biases present in its training data, so critical evaluation of outputs is essential. Intellectual property and copyright issues arise when using AI-generated content, especially for commercial purposes, and understanding legal boundaries protects both you and your projects. Over-reliance on AI can dull human intuition, so maintaining a balance between automation and personal judgment ensures that creativity remains central to your work. Engaging with AI critically and ethically also enhances credibility, both personally and professionally, as you develop projects that are innovative yet responsible. Practical exercises consolidate theoretical understanding. For day 2, a hands-on activity involves creating a 3-scene mini-video storyboard. Scene 1 might depict the explorer landing on the alien planet, with sweeping wide-angle shots of the barren landscape. Scene 2 could show the explorer encountering a small alien companion while examining glowing flora, emphasizing bioluminescent colors and soft lighting. Scene 3 might reveal the explorer discovering glowing alien ruins with holographic inscriptions, using dramatic angles and cinematic motion to enhance narrative tension. These scenes can be generated using AI image generators, compiled in sequence using free video editing software such as CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, and enhanced with AI-generated narration using free text-to-speech tools. This exercise teaches how prompts, models, and outputs interact and gives immediate visual feedback on the effectiveness of your instructions. Understanding AI also involves cultivating the right mindset. Curiosity, experimentation, and iterative refinement are more valuable than mere technical knowledge. Treat AI as a creative teammate, not a passive tool. Observe how small adjustments in prompts produce significantly different results and learn to predict AI behavior with experience. By internalizing the principles of AI pattern recognition and predictive modeling, you develop an intuition that allows you to direct AI output strategically, maximizing both efficiency and creativity. Over time, these practices build expertise that enables you to scale projects, integrate multiple AI modalities, and approach problems from a multidimensional perspective. By the end of day 2, you transition from passive consumer to active creator. You understand the mechanisms behind LLMs and neural networks, know how to craft effective prompts, are familiar with essential AI tools, and have practical experience generating a small multimedia project. You also appreciate the ethical landscape and the importance of human judgment. With this foundation, you are equipped to expand your experiments, develop more complex projects, and continue your journey toward becoming an AI generalist capable of orchestrating text, images, video, and audio into professional-grade creative outputs. The exercises, insights, and practices from today lay the groundwork for advanced skills in AI automation, content creation, and multimedia storytelling. Daily engagement, iterative refinement, and consistent experimentation ensure that you internalize these concepts deeply, positioning yourself not just as a user of AI, but as an innovator capable of shaping the creative applications of this transformative technology. Day 2 closes with a clear path forward. Expand your storyboard to 10 or 20 scenes, integrate multiple modalities, and maintain a record of prompts and outcomes. This discipline transforms raw experimentation into structured learning, fostering both technical competence and creative fluency. By approaching AI with curiosity, critical thinking, and a hands-on mindset, you build the foundation for a career as an AI generalist, ready to tackle increasingly complex projects, innovate across domains, and produce content that is compelling, coherent, and uniquely yours. The knowledge gained today is not theoretical. It is immediately actionable, empowering you to generate tangible outputs, iterate quickly, and experiment boldly. You are now ready to move forward, confident in your understanding of AI's core principles, practical applications, and creative potential.